Remember kids, safety first. See this beautiful printer? I've had it for 2 years. Still haven't gotten it to work. So we're trying again today. I want nice prints and the other printer is just kind of crap. We're trying a resin print. See if we can get a little bit better resolution. Looks good. I think that'll work. We are going to tree this one up just using the supports as the gates, just to see what happens. This is the first vacuum after we've mixed. Once this is done, we'll pour it into the flask and then we'll do a second vacuum to remove all the air bubbles. Then we'll carefully pour this in. Now we're cooking. Once we remove the vacuum, we're going to let this sit for 2 hours and then it will be ready to put out in the burnout oven. Ready? Yep. Turn it on. Okay. That's good. Close it? Yep. That's good. This is our first test with the Bluecast X1 resin. We just used the settings that were suggested by Lychee Slicer and things worked out pretty well. The print was pretty decent. We have a few lines in the surface of the casting which I think came from cracks in the investment itself. For fun, we just tried using the support material as some of the gates and worked fairly well. It was kind of a fun experiment. They filled nicely. There's a little bit of roughness to the surface, which I'm not sure if that's from slag or some other issue. But overall, for first try, I think this turned out fairly well. A lot better than what we were doing.